Hello everyone, I'm Bing Naranjo from Bingodesigns, Simple Art Creator. Let's have a quick unboxing of SJ4000 Air. And together, let's find out if it is still worth it to get one. Now let's see the box. Let's look at some of the specification details. The SJ4000 is capable of 4K resolution, Wi-Fi ready. It is also listed as having a 30-meter water resistant and the maximum support of 64GB memory card. Now, in case you want to buy one of these, it comes with the action camera itself, of course, a waterproof case, an arc mount, switch support 1 and 2, and an adapter. The highest resolution is 4K 30 frames per second and 1080p 60 frames per second, while the image resolution can exceed up to 16 megapixel. Now, if you want to activate the Wi-Fi, scan this QR code with your smartphone. Now let's open the package. Inside are the accessories. The arc mount, backpack quick release. I only wish they would include the backpack clip because I believe this is useless without it. USB cable, switch support, fixed base and adapter. The free sticker and the user manual. That's all for the accessories. We can now see that the action camera is inside a waterproof case, which is fortunate for me because it ensures the safety of the device. The SJ4000 and the power button are visible in front. On top is the light indicator and the OK button. There are two USB ports on the other side of the device that are used for charging and connecting to a computer. Additionally, we see a slot for a micro SD card. The battery compartment is located at the bottom. However, I don't like how the battery cover was made because it can be removed easily and might get lost. So guys, we should be extra careful. The SJ4000 battery is 900 mAh. Capacity battery estimated to last between 70 and 90 minutes on average. Now on the opposite side, we can see an outlet for the speakers, an up and down arrow, and the Wi-Fi button. SJ4000 features a 2-inch screen at the back. I'm not sure whether you see it, guys, but the status and the charger indicator are also situated on the screen side. Now, it's time to demonstrate how to format the micro SD card. First, place the card in the micro SD card slot as shown. When you hear a click, that means the card is ready for formatting. Push the power button now, and when the logo appears, push the OK button. After that, repeatedly press the power button until the cogwheel appears. Using the power button, select the cogwheel. Now, using the down arrow, select the format, press OK. Use again the down arrow, select confirmation. Now, congratulations! You have formatted your micro SD card. It's now ready to use. Here are some time-lapse videos and photos samples. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a great day, everyone.